the other petitioners have got wrong. By the same impugn order. Impugn orders are not different.
This relief was granted to the petitioners of this case, Your Lordship, after considering the matter in entirety.
The matter, working issue is the same in all the writ petitions.
In whether 5%
yes, that is the
concession can be granted to those who are
fact in all the cases, fact is the same.
But if the prayer and prayer Bahadurya may be seen, my Lord, what is the prayer with this?
Where is the IA number 2? 38.1. IA number 2 of IA number 2. Which case? 38.1. CWJC 9574. Which order? Annex 23, P23. P23. P27. P27. Number. Yes.
Should be time to fix the date, my lords, because the issue is very simple. The state of Bihar is arguing that this concession, though it may be an incidence of concession, it is related to the reservation policy of the state. So unless the outsiders fall within the reserved category, they cannot avail of this 5% reservation. Reservation for.
Can you reserve the seat on the basis of place of residence?
We have done so.
You have wrongly done so. You see, recently Supreme Court has said that granting reservation on the basis of residence is bad in law.
There are circulars that women are to be enjoyed reservation in this state. This reservation falls in the category of horizontal, my lords is aware, which means it cuts across categories. So if 50% seats are to be reserved for women, 50 SC, 50 ST, 50 OBC, and 50% general. So unless they come within the 50% in the general category, this 5% reservation cannot be availed by the outsiders of the state. And we shall demonstrate as to how the state acquires the competence even to give this relaxation. And this relaxation, which is specified in the guidelines by the
I think a 50% reservation or concession or relaxation which you have given is not exceeding the quota
this is the 5% relaxation in marks which they are.
In the CTET marks, yes. 5% is CTET marks. Yes. TET marks, whatever.
Yes.
Therefore, by granting 5%, you have decided to fill up the 50%. What is the reserve? 35%. 33%.
5% in the circular, I think, yeah, it's 50%.
Therefore, the relaxation you have given to the women candidate. And in order to ensure that all the women candidates should be appointed against the reserve category for the women in all on all categories, right through general, OBC, whatever it may be, other categories of the reservation.
Yeah, unreserved.
So, if somebody from the outside of state comes, so what is the problem?
They have not been stopped from.
Quota is not exceeding.
Your Lordship, they have not been stopped from competing. We are only saying that you must secure 60% in order to be eligible. For you, it is 60% for those women in our state. It is
Therefore, I am saying that is a question to be decided. You cannot discriminate between
Advertisement.
two categories.
Advertisement. Not says we welcome advertisement.
You have said
It's not so easy as the state council is trying to present it. Not there can't be any relaxation. There can't be any reservation under the unreserved category. The reservation rule itself and Article 16(4) itself talks about backward class, not for
Therefore, the term which has been used is not reservation.
Yeah.
It is relaxation remarks.
So that can't advertisement made it clear that it is extended to unreserved categories also. We are ready for now. We are resigning from
advertisement makes it clear that the reservation policy prevailing in the state Bihar will apply. We are only arguing that this concession cannot be seen separate from the reservation.
It's not a reservation.
It's
not a
incident of reservation.
It is not a reservation.
Those women who are not of the state of Bihar cannot force us to give them the 5% relaxation. The state of Bihar is within its rights, within its
Constitution
property.
16 clause 2
There is no violation of any
This
constitutional
act
provision.
of reservation has been framed under Article 16(4). That is not a relaxation. There are plethora of cases.
But the
Not
message
any day.
finally it really fix a short adjournment.
Any day.
The common question, a question is involved in all the petitions regarding appointment as teachers through Bihar Public Service Commission. Bihar Public Service Commission, pursuant to the advertisement. The common question in all the common questions is involved in all the petitions. Petition in as much as in a corrigendum was issued by the BPSC for appointment for appointment of teachers on 19/6/2023 to the effect